Okay, so I came across this idea about Pipelex creating an open standard for AI workflows, and it blew my mind. I mean, writing business logic instead of API calls.
Right? It's like they're streamlining the whole process. No more drowning in complex API documentation.
Exactly, imagine just writing a straightforward command and having a whole workflow generated automatically. That's pretty revolutionary.
Totally, but I wonder, does that mean it sacrifices flexibility? I mean, can you really customize these workflows as much?
That's a great point. I could see how someone might feel boxed in. But then again, it might also make things accessible for non-techies.
True, it's like giving power to those who might not be able to dig into the code. But what if they want more control later?
Yeah, it's a balancing act. Speaking of control, did you see the part where you can integrate your own API keys? That's a nice touch.
I did, it's reassuring, right? You can still leverage existing models if you want to. It's like having the best of both worlds.
Exactly, and the quick start guide. I love how it lays everything out simply, just a few commands and you're off.
It's so straightforward. I mean, pip install Pipelex followed by Pipelex init. That's pretty user-friendly.
And then you can build a workflow with a single command. Like, take a CV and job offer, analyze them, and generate questions.
Right? I was shocked by how concise that command is. It feels almost too good to be true.
I know, but wait, does it actually deliver on that? I mean, generating 5 interview questions based on the analysis sounds impressive.
That's the catch, isn't it? Are those questions actually insightful? It makes me wonder about the effectiveness of the analysis.
Good point. It seems like the depth of the analysis really matters if you want quality questions, not just generic ones.
Exactly. And how does it handle nuances in different job markets or industries? That could really affect the outcome.
Oh, for sure. Plus, it seems like there's a risk of over-relying on AI for such a subjective process.
Yeah, that's a valid concern. I mean, can a model truly capture the subtleties of human experience and potential?
Right? It's like if you took your smartphone and tried to analyze a human relationship, there's so much complexity.
Exactly. And on that note, do you think the AI could also misinterpret the data if it's not well structured?
That's a strong possibility. If the data isn't clear, the output will be off. It's essential to ensure quality inputs.
And speaking of quality, how do we measure reliability in these pipelines? That's crucial.
Great question. It looks like they're trying to address that with structured validation steps, but is that enough?
It might not be foolproof. There's still room for human oversight, especially in critical decision-making.
Agreed, plus I noticed they have an AI assistant feature for refining pipelines through natural language. That's cool.
Oh, that's fascinating. It's like adding a layer of interactivity. But how intuitive is it to use?
I wonder about that too. If it's not user-friendly, it might discourage people from fully engaging.
Yeah, and if they can't easily iterate on their workflows, they might give up entirely.
So it's a balancing act between ease of use and the depth of functionality. Can they truly achieve both?
That's the million-dollar question. But if they can engage the community, they might get valuable feedback.
True, a vibrant community can drive innovation and help refine the tool over time.
And I love that they're open to contributions. It's like inviting everyone to be part of the development process.
Exactly, makes it feel less like a top-down approach and more like a collaborative effort.
So if we put all this together, Pipelex could really change the way we think about AI workflows.
Definitely a game changer, but I guess we'll have to see how it stands up in real-world applications.
Absolutely. It's exciting to think about the potential, but cautious optimism might be key here.
Right, I think we're all curious to see where this heads. It opens a lot of doors in AI implementation.
And who knows? Maybe it'll inspire a whole new wave of AI applications in unexpected fields.
That's the beauty of innovation, it's always evolving, but what are we missing in this discussion?
Maybe we should consider how ethical implications play into all this technology.
Great point, with great power comes great responsibility, right?
Exactly. We need to be mindful of bias and the impact on job seekers and employers alike.
So many layers, but that's what makes this conversation so vital and continually relevant.
It really does. And I think leaving off with those ethical questions gives us a lot to ponder moving forward.